We are here at the Sheba Medical Center. We admitted 29 injured soldiers by now. We actually admitted about 50, but some of them were already discharged. And we have now 29 patients in the hospital, most of them with light injury right now. But we have about 10 patients, 10 injuries that are moderate and one severe. We are talking about Israeli. We also have a Palestinian injured family with us, and they are hospitalized right now in the hospital. The Palestinian family are also from Gaza Street. They were injured and medevac to Sheba from the field.
You know, you're treating Palestinians. It could be, I understand that the army knows what exactly they were, but in terms of the fact if they were terrorists, that wouldn't bother you. Of course, you'd continue to treat them.
We used to it. In the past, we already treated terrorists from all kinds. We had the picture, you know, the weird picture by an Israeli soldier is lying down next to a terrorist that is already injured, sometimes by us even. So we're used to that. We don't have it right now in terms of the terrorists. So this is the Palestinian family is a civilian Palestinian family. Sheba Medical Center is treating all patients. We are not actually examining them to their identity or to their nationalism. We're just getting them. We need a name to treat them, so we get the name in the ER. It can be an Arab name, it can be an Israeli name, it can be a Hebrew name. It doesn't matter to us.
In addition to dealing with the medical situation, you're of course witnessing what's going on here in terms of the volunteers. We're seeing this all the time. Yeah. What are your feelings? What can you tell us about what's going on?
Sheba is overwhelmed by volunteers, as you probably see. We're getting requests from all over of Israel and outside from Israel to bring food, to bring entertainment to the injured soldiers. And we're very happy about it, but we're a little bit overwhelmed, so we have to say no to most, but between 9 to 10 from the people that are requesting that. We are saying them. I just got a request from a soup person in Tel Aviv that wants to bring hot soup to the soldiers, and this is, of course, in this summer unacceptable. What they want is cold water.
So, what is your feeling when you see this?
Well, I feel, you know, I feel that is for a long time we weren't so united in Israel, socially, I mean, and we are getting such warm feedback from the citizens, and we feel united again, and it's a very good feeling for us to feel.